Alright, still working on the inspection issues. I got the windows pinned. All the windows are pinned on the first floor. I had to put that in there too. Then I got these barrel bolts with a couple holes for the bolt to go into. If these windows originally had window weights on it, they'd have a cotton cord that'd run up and go through this little pulley up there. You can see it's all painted. And that pulley run down on the inside of the window to a window weight. The cords that hold the window weights are cotton, so they eventually rot and fall off, and the window weights somewhere down in the window. So they have to have the windows so that they can open and permit air circulation. That's part of the city code. That's what I've been working on. It is a nasty cold day here. And then I don't know if you can see it from here. No. I've been working on the handrails too.